The next document we're going to discuss is called a response to a request produce, or RTP. Attached to the RTP is a Schedule A. This is a very lengthy document. It has several documents they're going to be asking of you to produce. For instance, financial records dealing with your tax returns, corporate tax returns, tangible personal property records, things of that nature. It also has all of your requests for banking information, whether it's checking or savings, money market, brokerage accounts, IRAs, 401ks, insurance, judgments, credit cards, real estate. As you can see from the Schedule A, it is very, very involved and time consuming. Typically, you only have either 30 to 45 days in which to provide these documents to us. For instance, if you were served with the initial petition for dissolution of marriage, you only have 30 days. If it is served upon you during the course of litigation, you may have 45 days. It just depends on when you're going to get served with it. And it takes time to actually gather the documents and to produce these to the other side. So if it's a 30-day window, you want to provide those to us within 2 weeks, so we can then process the inventory and determine what documents you provided, which documents you haven't provided, and then give you a list of missing documents. Then you'll have to go back, gather those lists of missing documents, and provide us a complete financial disclosure. Likewise, if the spouse is only going to produce these documents and you have either 30 or 45 days, we want to know which documents are in your possession, custody, or control. It's not required if the spouse does not have the document for them to produce it, and sometimes you'll get an answer that it's in your possession, custody, or control. Again, we want to know those type of answers. Are you going to produce it, and what document you're going to produce? Is it in your possession, custody, or control, or not in your possession, custody, or control? Does the document exist, or it doesn't exist? Or it's going to be an A because the document doesn't apply in the case. Again, this is a request for production or an RTP.